you see I've got this nice F-150 dually here. I think we've already changed the tailgate before. Yeah, we have changed the tailgate before. But I've got something better. A tailgate that's not the same color as the truck. And it won't do this. After we're done installing the Easy Assist down.
We now have the truck with no tailgate, and Jared taking off the suspension straps. From here, we're gonna go grab the ridiculously heavy tailgate.
It's not ridiculous heavy, it's just really heavy. Not only is it a different color, well, before you're like, why would you put a different color one on? It has a step, and I'm fat. So, to upgrade your tailgate to those lovely step tailgates, you need this. I'll put an Amazon link in the description, but this goes here. Woo! That came out easily.
What's the next one going to?
Yeah, that's hot. Oh. But so yeah, you replace this with this. It goes on like that.
Oh look, it's another nice shiny piece on the turd truck. We're not going to talk about other turds here.
Yeah, I don't know if I like doing this with an impact. Okay. Oh, we're just gonna hope that lines up. Doing something that we haven't really done. Planning.
We should be able to stand it up, get it in there, and then rotate it if we need to. Just set it with the bumper real quick.
Yep.
It is a seat to wait on the tow truck.
For when you're camping and you gotta poo, don't shoot my butt. I think I have a crack hanging out.
Yes, you do. That's why I came to the side.
Okay. Whew. When you gotta have a poo on the side of the road. There's so much room.
And now, just to do that, soft close.
This is the part.
Easy.
Easy. We choose DZ because it's easy. So it comes with everything you need. This part slots into this hole over here. I thought it was supposed to. Maybe it is this hole. Honestly, it's been such a long time since we took it off. I can't remember which side of the tailgate the assist came off of. Lucky for me, there's instructions, and it looks like it comes on this side.
Give him a bit, it takes him a minute to be able to read stuff.
This product can only be installed on the driver's side. I sit here looking for step 1. I couldn't find it the whole time. It's the biggest freaking part of the...
As I said, guys, it takes him a while. Be happy he's able to read. It used to just be by
I
the
will
pictures.
hurt you so much. No, I won't. Alright. So it turns out this is easier as a 2-person job.
And when you can actually hold the Allen wrench with some pressure.
Yeah.
So we just have one of the T-handle 6mm from Harbor Freight. It's a cheap, like, $10 kit. First time I've actually used the kit. After 9 turns, if it can still be moved or rotates, continue tightening. Repeat as needed. So it's keep going until it gets tight. Make sure it's at least 9.
Well, I would think that's probably good enough. What do you think?
Yeah. Remove that. And then I guess you install the ball mount with the 16mm. Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
And now this doesn't rotate or anything, right? Now install this with that.
Okay. If your truck didn't have any of this before, it won't have this style plate.
This piece.
So what you do is you just remove this Torx, take off the plate that's there now.
And that's a T50 Torx.
Yeah, T50, and you put this plate on, retighten down, because this system attaches on these little ball points. So you need one on the tailgate, one up here. You're also gonna have a rubber block down here, which, like I said, we already have this, so it's already been removed.
Mylar sheet has been provided to help prevent components from rubbing against the truck bed. Looks like right here.
Yeah.
I guess in case your ball loosens out, it doesn't scratch your paint up.
Besides, this has already been rubbed.
So you just want to leave it?
Yes, I just leave it. Large end goes up top.
There might be an easier way to do that. Or you can struggle. I'm okay with him struggling, so I'm okay with this whole thing.
Almost. Alrighty.
Now we should be able to clean up.
Now we should be able to do the soft close.
I'm mad at you. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you not? Can...
I'm helping it settle.
More real life, this is like, fuck, it's broken again. Now it takes longer for me to get a seat, but just waiting on a tow truck. I did actually just add that to my insurance. No, tailgate's on now. There's more stuff to do. I've got to tighten the exhaust that's up by the turbo. The U-bolt loosens up over time, and that's where all the rattling has been coming from. Though the larger clunking and noise from the front end, driver's side, was actually the wheel trying to destroy itself. So that doesn't happen anymore, so that's nice. I've had the dash to redo on this truck for, what, 3 months?
3 or 4 months.
Yeah, 3 or 4 months. It's just, we've been getting busy. The only thing to do really left for the tailgate would be, I'm going to change out the lock for the one on here. The anti-theft. Oh yeah, we do have some stuff to do on the Honda.
Well, no, I was saying the lock comes off the original tailgate, not that tailgate.
Yes, yes. I never moved the lock from the original tailgate to that tailgate. I now have 2 tailgates. If anybody wants a tailgate, 2 tailgates for the price of $100.
Very flexible on that number.
Not very flexible, slightly flexible. I'm okay, maybe a little bit flexible. I can't touch my toes. $75. Stay classy, San Diego.